Okay, now we are going to learn how to verify if a specific value is contained in a sequence, in a container like a list. Lists are basic data structures incorporated in the Python programming language. Okay, for to solve that task, we are going to use a function. We can define that function using the depth keyword, and we can call it exit. We need two parameters: the collection of the numbers, the list. We can call that list numbers, and another parameter to the value to be searched in that collection in the list numbers. We can call it value. Okay, inside this function we iterate the numbers, the list numbers for n in numbers. Now we verify if value is equal to the actual value of the iteration value of the n variable. We use a if statement. We ask for n equal to value. If that sentence is true, we return true using the return statement. Okay. If none of the values in the numbers list are equal to the value, we return false. Okay, we can text this function. We can create a list of numbers. We can call that variable numbers and assign this list literal. Right, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay. In this print statement, we call the exit function the list numbers. For example, if we search for this is 5, we can say in this location the 5 value. For example, we can search for the 7 value. In this case, the function will return true. We know that because the 7 value is located in the number list. We can execute this code using the play button. We get true. Okay, copy this statement, paste here, and now we, for example, search for 19. This will return true. We know that 19 is not stored in the numbers list. Okay, so the exit function will return false. Execute. Here we get that value false.